Hi guys, section 2-3 of 8th grade math, we're dealing with subtracting integers. So it's pretty straightforward. We're going to use the same method we did for adding, okay, the number lines. And again, the book has rules if you would like to memorize those, but the number line works just fine. Basically, we're going to do problems. It'll be a quick video. So we're going to start with number 9. 9 on the number line. And it wants us to subtract 14. Okay, this is the same thing as saying this. Okay, I'm adding 9, I'm adding negatives. Okay, so this could be said that I have $9 and I gave someone $14. Okay, or I have $9 and I lost $14 to somebody else. So it just matters on where the negative, but it means the same thing. So it's similar to what we did last section. We're going to do -4, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So this is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So our answer is -5. Okay? -10, -8. So this one I'm going to start at -8. I'm going to subtract to -10. So I'm starting at -10, and I'm subtracting -8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, -16, -17, -18. And again, you don't have to write this on your assignment. I'm just letting you visualize it and being annoying about it so that when you do get stuck on one, if you're not sure it's positive or negative, you'll turn to our handy dandy number line. So this is 15 minus 4. This is a pretty straightforward one because we can just do 15 minus 4, which is 11. Although, I'm going to be meaning, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be -15 minus -4. That's why the parentheses are there. So this is the one rule you have to make sure to pay attention to. This is telling me that I'm negatively going negative. So basically, I'm going positive. So when you see two negatives together, this gives me a positive. So this is the same thing as saying 15 plus 4. Okay? 15 plus 4. So I'm doing the opposite because these negatives cancel each other out. Okay? So 15 plus 4 gives us a 19. Now this one is the same thing. I have negatives. But it's not this doesn't turn into a negative. So I still end up with -11 minus 7. So I go -11. So I start with -11. And I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that gives me -18. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so be careful with that because this works 15 plus 4 because 15 wasn't negative. This one, the 11 was negative. The only thing that turned positive was this, and Miss P did it wrong. My apologies. It's supposed to have a start because these make a positive. Okay, so I start at -11 and I move up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so -11, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. So my answer is -4. Okay, so my last one is asking me to evaluate x minus y plus z, and they give me the values for this. So x is 4 minus y, which is -5. The reason I'm putting parentheses is so that negative is attached to 5, and there's also a minus sign. And then plus -14. So when I have two signs together, I put a parenthesis so that I'm able to tell the signs apart. So these make a what? A positive, right? So I end up with 4 plus 5, and this plus minus 14 is the same thing as saying minus 14 because that negative trumps that positive. So 4 plus 5 is 9 minus 14. This is work that I would like to see because I need to see your thought process. These are when we make the small mistakes. So 9 minus 14, we're going to start at 9, positive 9. Now do this in your head. You're going to start positive 9 and you're going to go down negative 14. So you're going to go past the 0, right? We're going to go 5 past the 0. So we're going to get negative 5. Okay? So go ahead and write this down. Don't forget to do your problems for class, page 78, number 6, 8, and 12. Page 78, number 6, 8, and 12. And I'll see you in class.